Way back. Nothing can stop and nothing can change it. You better just make new living arrangements. If you think you the top and king of the castle, you about to be thrown off the throne and ripped a new asshole. All I hear is I'm best at this and I'm best at that, but I don't hear my name known that. Brought up in rap and I don't usually trip or tag, get caught up in that. But when they say one of the best, I'm nowhere thought of as that. Not even the same league as Jay-Z, Nas, Pac, Biggie, or maybe the name me somewhere down at the bottom right after AZ. Or say he ripped that Biggie verse or that Jay-Z. Yo, his verses look crazy on their renegade beat, but I ain't never bought no whole CD of Shady, and all I hear is pop tunes come on the radio. Oh, when they play them 20 times in a row daily, and it very well may be the same reason they don't say me when they speak on hip-hop legends, which has amazed me, cause I thought the formula was to hit mainstream and make it big, 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 baby, baby.
So maybe the 80s made me crazy. I've been trying to get my weight up since the A Slim Shady gave me the gate key, paved the way. So lately my stakes gets better each day. Replay my relay race when I was chasing the A-Fee at 18. 8 years later his voice in Beijing. No choice, I chase cream, so
Went back.
This is what I eat, sleep, and breathe, and feed my kids with and fulfill all my family needs. I treat the mic like the block, fuck with my rocks and squeeze. Critters expecting me to underachieve. I just deal with the hater receive by rolling back my sleeves. Show us a breathe and bring a rap to his knees. Until it suck my dick, take a bow and leave. With a sack full of unmarked cheese, I find it hard to believe who to pull up the seed of BGs and claim they running shit. Nigga outrun me. As a kid, teacher said I had a mouth on me. That same mouth got me to deal with Dre and E. Folk in the hood be asking where I be. Dog, I'm out in Hawaii. Don't like it, drink my pee. Record song for the Detox LP. Feet don't fail heat. Niggas got me bent like Cranberry and Bellevue. I'ma die wealthy. Boss in the game, what the fuck they gon' tell me? 8 times zone trade, aftermath shame. Bobby Green.
Y'all market, y'all block, they sent me the cone of that. Rap game's an old flame, my nigga, I want 'em back. Like Mike Check, pimp for what it's worth, I got the right net. Sitting here excited by some shit that ain't right yet. No regret, live by code you don't know by. Y'all niggas won't be satisfied till I show I go out on a limb with him, cause I'm with him. Put a barrel to the apparel of you and some of them. None of them stand a chance at the dance without a bow tie. Shady Records reintroduce you niggas to Moti. So high, off the light that they have given me, and the haters like a chauffeur because it's driven me to a V with a vendetta. I am the epitome. I don't give a fuck about you, nigga, I'm just living me. We the reason for the season, so I'm breezing through the track, nigga.
I can prove I'm here to do something you never do. From hand to hand coke sales for my revenue. I ain't been to a function where I ain't snuck a weapon through. As my background reveals a 1872. To the block I'm the truth, to the cops I'm the proof that it's a nigga still out there, you just gotta shoot. I carry over my street ethics to the booth. In the shady crime fam, Al Capone and his youth. The difference between me and you, I already done it and lived the street life. Niggas run away from it. You follow my life in the Midwest, blunted pitchforks hell high, 4/5 by the stomach. You can find me right now on the CA streets. I'm on the roof of the building, shooting at police. Some of the homies feel opposition can't kill me. I'm a walking obituary, death live in me. I take life through the pen, by the way I'm see. I'll have you raped in the pen like American meat. I'm connected, getting weight from MS-13 with SKs, ARs, and many 14s. I'm Cassius, the last of the real, with a strap on Prozac, B's, and E pills. It's a rap, got the block on tip, 2 for 10s and crack. I'm in a lifetime contract, Shady's back, nigga.
I told you we was back.
What?
wake up in the morning and the sun begins to shine. The day did sneak up on the night. I see your face and I see myself and I get a little taste of life. I try to stand it for a while, but I'm in a trance. Hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I take too much in the Saturday night. Hey, hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I wanna try to stop this life. I feel so sad, I'm feeling down. On the radio the music plays. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. I close my eyes, I think today it's getting better with a sip of wine. And I can't stand it for a while. When I'm in a trance. Hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I take too much in the Saturday night. Hey, hey, hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I wanna try to stop this life. I'm in a trance. Hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I take too much in the Saturday night. Hey, hey baby, tell me, can't you hear me calling? I'm in a trance. I wanna try to stop this life.
Elle est ma flamme, mon bonheur, et celle qui m'a donné la vie. Elle fait partie de moi. Elle est mon sang, elle est mes yeux, elle est mon ange le plus précieux et celle qui m'a donné la vie. Elle fait partie de moi. Elle est tout ce que j'ai de plus cher au monde. Ma raison d'être, ma raison de vivre. Près d'elle je serai jusqu'à la dernière seconde. C'est elle que j'aime, elle est ma vie. C'est elle qui m'a donné la vie, elle fait partie de moi. Elle est ma chance, elle est mon souffle, mon existence, c'est plus que tout. C'est elle qui m'a donné la vie, elle fait partie de moi. Elle est tout ce que j'ai de plus cher au monde. Ma raison d'être, ma raison de vivre. Près d'elle, je serai jusqu'à la dernière seconde. C'est elle que j'aime, elle est ma vie. Elle est mon âme, elle est mon cœur, elle est ma flamme, mon bonheur. C'est celle qui m'a donné la vie, elle fait partie de moi. Elle est mon sang, elle est mes yeux, elle est mon ange le plus précieux. C'est celle qui m'a donné la vie, elle fait partie de moi.